children. Today we are going to learn about how to use he, she and it. We are to use and how to use. Come and see how we use. He we use to indicate a boy or a man. She to indicate a girl or woman. It to indicate animals, things or places. Now let me explain you detail. As I told you, he indicates a boy and man. So when we say he, it will be for a boy and a man. A boy can be your cousin. So we will say he is my cousin. A boy can be your baby brother. So we will say he is my baby brother. A boy can be your classmate or your friend. So we will say he is my friend or he is my classmate. Grandfather. Your grandfather is a man. So you will say he is my grandfather. Similarly for your uncle. Your uncle is a man. So you will say he is my uncle. Now see this policeman. He is a man. So we will say he is a police. He is a police. So always remember and your father also a man. He is my father. So always remember, when we say a boy or a man, we will always use he. A man can be your gardener or painter, anyone. So when you see a baby boy, a man, you will use the word he. Now let's see, we are to use she. We use she, as I told you, when we indicate a girl or a woman. Girl or a woman. Now look at this picture. A girl. Now we are talking about the girls. A girl can be your cousin, sister. So you will say she is my cousin. A girl can be your classmate or a friend. So you will say she is my classmate or she is my friend. Now look at this. We are talking about the woman. This woman is a teacher. This woman is a teacher. So we will say she is a teacher. Now your aunt. For your aunt, also we will use she. She is my aunt. A grandmother. A grandmother also, because she is a woman, so we will say she is my grandmother. Your mother is also, because she is also a woman, so for you, your mother also we will use she. She is my mother. So always remember, when we talk about a girl or a woman, we will always use she for them. Now let me tell about it. As I told you, it indicates animals or places or objects or things. So when we talk about the animals, when we talk about the places, or when we talk about any objects or things, we will use the word it. Now this is an elephant. Elephant is an animal. So we will say it is an elephant. This is a goat. Goat is an animal. So we will say it is a goat. And also a deer, cat, rabbit. For that also we say it is a goat, it is a deer, it is a cat, it is a rabbit. Now look at this. This is a picture of a hospital. So we will say this is a place. So we will say it is a hospital. Now look at here. It's a picture of things, objects. First one is a blackboard. So it's an object or a thing. So we will use the word it. It is a blackboard. It is a clock. It is a chair. So we will use it when we have to talk about an animal or a thing or a place. To explain you better, let me give you some examples. Read the word and circle the correct picture. Now the word is he. And there's a picture of a woman and there's a picture of a man. Okay, so we is used for a man. We use he for man. So we will circle man. The next word is she. There's a picture of a girl and there's a picture of a hat. She is used for a girl. So we will circle the girl. Okay. Now it is written here and there's a picture of a woman and there's a picture of a dog. So it is used for a animal or a thing. Here we can see an animal, so we'll circle the animal, that's dog. Now let's see some more examples in different way. Look at the picture and write he, she or it. Can you see the first picture? It's a picture of a library. Now it's a place. So for the place, as I told you, we'll write it. So we'll write it for the place. It is a library. Now look at this next picture, second picture. It's a picture of a girl. We use she for the girl. So she is a girl. We'll write she is a girl. Now look at the next picture. It's a picture of a lion. As I told you, for animal we write it. So we'll write it is a lion. Look at the last picture. It's a picture of a police. Police is a man. So we'll write he. He is a policeman. I hope you have understood the concept of he, she and it.